Absolutely. And I think, I think a few days from now, we are also kind of going to debate whether the changes with regards to the reform, with regards to black money, which were announced yesterday, that announcing on the eve of US elections, was it a master stroke? Because, I mean, you get all the pain out in one go. Or it could have been avoided. I think that is another thing because, I think the agreement is there that the black money thing, 500,000 rupee notes, not legal tender anymore, new notes to be issued, that is also a seminal change, right?
It is, yes.
But near term, it's going to cause a lot of pain. I think everybody pretty much agrees with that. And you have to take that pain one time. The only issue is, did we have to take that pain right on the eve of US elections, or it could have been done? It had to be done in a secretive way, right, without giving people a chance to evade the measures which were announced. But did it have to be done right before US elections? Or, I mean, maybe that was the way to go. Maybe they took a conscious choice that, well, there will be a lot of volatility tomorrow. There was no way to know in a way which way the elections will head. But there would be volatility, and let's just kind of throw in this one as well. So right now, I think the market is reacting to the implications of the US election win at an aggregate market level.
Yes.
There is still the impact of the black money changes, the 500,000 rupee note, the changes which have been made yesterday. That is still to be felt. That is that's how I would put it. And the implications of that also in the near term for a variety of sectors is not positive. People have been saying, well, banks benefit. I don't think banks benefit in the near to medium term. Maybe slightly longish term, they will benefit. But if you just think about very simplistically, the one area of growth for banks has been retail loans, consumer loans, right? The other segment has been loans against property. Both these segments do get impacted. So at the margin, do banks benefit? No. Will deposits surge all the way leading up to 31st December? Maybe yes, but no way to kind of quantify that. I just also want to take a look at the numbers up on your screen. I think we just put out a flash which said that Clinton has won Nevada. The problem, Ekta, I just want to mention this very quickly, is that the numbers are at what? 244 for Trump, right?
Yeah.
3 states in which in which Clinton has to win are Michigan, Pennsylvania, and Wisconsin. 3 states: Michigan, Pennsylvania, Wisconsin. If you add the electoral votes for these 3 states, it turns out to about 46. None of the polls right now, exit polls that is, which various news networks, etc., are running, suggest that Clinton has got a lead in any of these 3 states.
Yeah.
244 plus 46, if all 46 go to Mr. Trump, as the leads are suggesting right now, is 290. Right? So it looks at 244, unless there is a dramatic upset, which the numbers don't indicate as of now, it looks like we're in for a Trump presidency. It's that close now. So you just 3 critical states, add up the electoral votes, you get to about 290 or so for Mr. Trump.
Yes, but it's just, one wonders if it was not Hillary Clinton who was running as the candidate for the Democratic Party. Maybe if, hypothetically it was still Obama, would Trump have won against Obama? That's the thought, whether it's just a right-wing movement that we're seeing in the US, or maybe it is a candidate problem.
I think one of the funniest things I heard online, I think somebody tweeted, and I think it was a journalist who said, can we please hide Mr. Obama's phones and shoes so that he can't leave? So, I mean, people have very strong kind of opinion and emotions related to this, but markets tell you a story of their own, don't they?
They're giving their verdict already.
Sharply lower. 600 points down. I mean, S&P 500 futures, the trading has been halted because there's a 5%